Good morning, guys. Today is Saturday morning. Prepare kami ngayon. Pupunta kami sa Baltimore Church. Saling pusa lang kami. Kasi may practice yung mga kasama namin sa church. So, nakisali lang kami. Kasi normally pag Sabado, nasa church kami. And meron kaming family devotion. But this time, because meron kaming conference na gaganapin sa Los Angeles, California. So, yung selected East Coast churches here, meron silang practice which is nagaganapin sa Baltimore, Maryland Church. So, ito, nagpe-prepare kami. Papunta kami doon ngayon. Kaya, see you later, guys. Good morning, baby. Can you say good morning? Outfit check. Charing.
Who buy that?
Who buy this?
It's celebration.
Tata. Good morning.
Celebration.
Ng aking mga kasama. Good morning, everyone. Taray, kita hiya naman ako sa suot ko. Tingnan nyo yung mga suot nila. Oh. Ang julalay lang ang peg nyo.
Pakikuha nga yung tubig ko.
Okay po, ma'am. Masusunod po. What are you gonna order? What do you like to eat? What do you like to eat? Ngiti lang yung sagot niya sa akin. Yeah. Kala niya picture. Maulan na araw mga kaibigan. Dito kami ngayon sa Delaware Welcome Center. Stopover muna kami. Try to play. Piggy, piggy. Let's wait for Tata, okay?
Okay. Mommy, I can.
I know.
Huh? I can.
You can? Come on, you can do it. Go, 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 go.
I want piggy.
You want piggy? You have money?
Okay.
Do you have money? Huh? Do you have a
Mommy,
money?
huh?
Do you have a money?
Okay, mommy, like a boy, money.
Let's go put the money. Okay.
Okay.
Do you have a money?
Yes.
Okay, where?
I can money.
You don't have money?
It's broken.
No, it's not broken. It's not working because you need money.
Put money inside.
You have to put money inside. Maybe ask ate. Maybe ate have money. Ate, do you have money? Oh, ate doesn't have money too. Okay, let's try to pay. Oh, 5% charge. Ang mahal naman. Daddy. Okay, let's try. Let's try. You wanna play?
Yes.
Ate, can you play this one? Ate, can you play this one? Let's go back.
I can buy.
Let's go back. Paano ba to? Bobo lang. Okay, $2. Let's No, don't touch. $2.
Please present your card or your mobile phone. Authorizing.
Rasha, can you play this? Oh, taray. Yayamanin. Okay, approve. Come on. Go play. Piggy, ate. Make sure, ha? Para hindi masayang yung $2 natin.
Go.
Pick it up. The piggy. Ow! My gosh, it's failed.
Oo.
Please present your card or your mobile phone. Authorizing.
Let's try one more time. Oh, no. Wait. You have to wait. Okay, ate, galingan mo. For the second time around.
Ano ba ito?
This one.
Paano? Nakarang to. Ito pinaka-the best yun.
Alin?
Ayan.
Ayan,
Ayan, yung nasa gitna doon.
Go.
Eh, kaya lang, di ba, kukuhain mo nga siya.
Kaya nga.
Maybe, oh my gosh, paano ba to?
See?
Ay!
Siya na gano'n, wala lang time. Kaya mabilis rin dapat.
Paano ba?
May time lang yan. Kapag naubos yun, wala na.
Dapat pala kukunin mo siya agad, tapos ano mo na siya. May time ba siya?
Oo, may lola kayo.
Ay, bilisan mo ha. Last na. Lala ko share ha. Okay, wait. Last one. Come on.
Please present
Bigyan
your
mo kami
card
ng
or
lock.
your mobile phone. Authorizing.
Ito lang makukuha ko eh.
Oh, may time pala yung babe. Dali.
Uy!
Don't touch, baby.
Come on.
Come on. Dali ate. Only 8 seconds. Dali, Gracia. Hurry up. Come on.
Wala,
Eh,
ayaw talaga.
wala na akong pera. Fail.
Bakit?
She wants to play. Nakaka $6 na ako, te.
What?
May pera ka pala eh.
$6 na eh. May charge pa nga na 5% eh.
Pwedeng card?
Oo, pwedeng card. $6 na ako. Fail. Wala kami nakukuha. Eh, gusto...
Okay, kamadali na.
G, doon daw. Meron pa daw itong $1. Ayan o. So, pasukan mo lang daw siya ng $1. Makakapaglaro ka. Yan. May time daw yan. Kuha mo sa Janela. Alam mo, may time daw yan.
Para dito. Kukuha tayo ng malapit.
Oh, yung malapit. Takan mo yan. Basta $2 lang. Yung malapit. Come on, tata. Dali, may time yan.
Ay, ang dami
Ay!
nga!
Maalog ba?
Umaalog eh.
Tayo, buti ka na.
Budol to, budol. Nala, next time, okay? Ubus na yung dollar ng nanay mo eh. Next time na lang ha. Next time. Oo. Next time na lang ha. Ubus na yung dollar natin. We try our best. But our best is not enough.
Okay.
Try one more time. Yay! Come on, tata. Come on, tata. Come on. Danila, here. Oh, tata, come on. Try it. Try your best. Yung pinakamalapit. Ah!
Ay, talaga, be.
Ayaw niya ibigay. Ba't ba ayaw mo ibigay sa amin? One more time.
Oh, last one. Last two, ha?
One more time? Say
Last
one more
two.
time. One more time. One more time, tata.
Oh, last two, okay?
May time daw kasi yan. Yan yung puti. Ay,
no, yun. Hindi mo, malapit na yan. Kaya pa.
Kaya pa yung puti. Come on, tata, go. Yung white. Bigay mo na sa amin. Please lang.
Oh, ginagalaw niya dun banda eh.
Budol ka! Dito ka na lang mamili. Dito na, dito. Dito ka na lang pamili. At dito, hindi yung budol dyan. Oh, there's more. Mahal naman. Yung guys, so ganyan lang kaliit siya, pero tingnan nyo, $19 na yan. Tapos eto naman, $34.99. Diba? Pang isang meal na yan.
Mommy, that's it.
No, next time na lang yan. Okay? Okay? You have a lot, Janela, at home. Sige na, put it back na. You wanna eat? Just pick up food na lang, food. Okay? Let's go. Let's go pick the food. Not that one. What's that? Mushroom? Put it back na. Let's go. Let's go na. Babay ka na. Dali. Okay? Next time. Gamis na lang. You want gamis? What's that? You want the happy cola? Okay. Oh, bigay mo na sa financer natin to.
Give it to ate.
Ito, financer.
Ah, pareho na ba?
Ate, here you go daw. No, you have to pay first before you open. Give it to ate. Ate will pay for it. Oh, give it to daddy.
Ano yan?
Let's pay for...
Mommy,
Ayun. Ano mo na? Oh, go, go, go.
Oh, dyan lang.
What are you gonna say? What will you say? Nela, what will you say? Ha? What will you say? Thank you. Ba't mo bulong ka? Thank you to who? Oh. Crap.
Alright.
Where's Ate Grace? Where's Ate Grace? Ate Grace. Babalik na kami sa sasakyan. Isang oras pa ang travel namin papunta sa aming destinasyon. Stop over lang muna. Muna, boss buwan. It's raining. Let's go. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga kapatid sa PMCC Portwatch Baltimore Church, Pastor Neil, Pastor Arlene. Thank you very much po sa masarap na pagkain na hinanda nyo po sa amin. Talagang nagpapasalamat po kami at na-appreciate po namin ang effort ninyo. Salamat po sa napakasarap na ito. God bless you all. Sa uulitin po. Mwah!